Contract lifecycle management software versus external contract lawyers. Which one is better for fast-growing SMEs? Most people assume that managing contracts in a fast-growing business requires hiring more lawyers. The surprising truth is that technology can handle much of the workload efficiently, giving SMEs both speed and cost control. Contract lifecycle management, or CUM software, automates the creation, approval, execution, and storage of contracts. It tracks deadlines, flags renewals, and ensures compliance, all while centralizing your contract data in one secure system. For example, a growing tech startup handling dozens of vendor agreements monthly can avoid missed deadlines or overlook clauses by using CUM software. External contract lawyers, on the other hand, provide specialized legal review, negotiation support, and strategic advice. They are invaluable for complex deals, high-value contracts, or situations requiring jurisdiction-specific expertise. However, relying solely on external lawyers can become costly, especially if your SME is generating high volumes of routine contracts. So which is better for fast-growing SMEs? The answer isn't one or the other, it's strategic use. CUM software handles repetitive tasks, accelerates approvals, and ensures consistency, freeing your legal team or external lawyers to focus on high-risk contracts and negotiations that truly require human expertise. Many successful SMEs adopt a hybrid model, CUM for efficiency and external lawyers for complexity and risk mitigation. The key takeaway is that speed and accuracy don't have to come at the expense of legal oversight. The surprising truth is that software can actually enhance your lawyer's effectiveness rather than replace them. By combining automated tools with external legal expertise, SMEs can scale contract management, reduce errors, and stay compliant without exploding costs. In a fast-moving business environment, this balance is what separates thriving companies from those bogged down by manual contract processes.